What's up creatives, it's Seb here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit viral Instagram Reels on mobile and best of all, completely free. And this is the perfect moment to transition into today's sponsor, FILMR, an app that specializes in mobile video editing with no watermarks. FILMR is the quickest and most flexible way to edit videos on mobile with a simple, fast and intuitive interface. And what sets it apart from all the other mobile editing apps is that it has a vertical timeline that makes it super easy to edit your videos for social media. But more about that a little bit later in the video. So like I said, we're going to be editing a viral Instagram Reel video straight from your phone. So the video we're going to be editing is this brand new viral trending travel video. So what you'll need if you want to edit along with me is 7 different clips and then a music track to go along with it. But if you want to edit the same stuff that I'm using, then I've added a download link in the description down below where you get the 7 clips as well as the music, so then you can make the same video as me. So if you are following along with me, go ahead and download the videos and the music track right now, and now we're going to hop into the FILMR app and start editing our viral video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up the FILMR app, and then you want to import your media. So click on camera roll and then select all of the clips that you want to add to your video and press import. Now the first thing you'll notice is that the FILMR app looks pretty different to other mobile video editing apps, and that's because this is your main timeline, and then all of these sections right here are your own dedicated sections for the clip. So if you want to edit the start of this clip, you just edit the in point, and then to edit the out point, you'll do it like that. So it's really intuitive. It's really easy to edit videos using FILMR. Now the first thing you want to do when you have imported your clips is go to format and then choose your format. By default, it's the stories, and because we're editing an Instagram Reel, then the stories format will be okay. Once you've done that, head over to music and then import your music. So because I'm editing a travel video, I have the music that I want to use, so I'm just going to press import. But a cool thing is with FILMR is that it has its own dedicated library with over 1,000 music tracks to select from, and you can also connect to Epidemic Sounds if you want to import stuff from there. Same thing here, you can edit your start and out points using these little sections right here, which is really awesome. Now once you've added your clip, you can just press on the video section, and then we're going to start editing our video. Okay, so to start the edit of this video, we have to time it to the beat. So if you press on the play, we can see that it's about 2 or 3 seconds. So we're going to start the video about here, then we're going to end the video as soon as she clicks, so about there. And then on the second click, we're just going to click on that, and then as soon as she clicks, we're going to start the video there. And then on her next click, we're going to end the video there. And if you have a quick preview, hopefully it should be okay. So that was a little bit too fast. So if we extend that a tiny bit and then just do it like that. Yeah, so that's good. And then we're going to end this clip on her next click. So she ends it right there. We're going to then continue with the editing on this video. So that's when he clicks. And then this is the next click. So this trend is really easy to recreate because there's not much to it. As soon as he clicks, you start it, and then as soon as he clicks again, you end it. So now this video is done, we've edited the 7 clips. Let's have a quick preview, and then we'll do the fine tuning and then continue editing the video. So that looks really good to me already. We can see that the FILMR app is super intuitive whenever you're editing clips because it has its own section, so you can edit the in and out points of each clip, and then you can just scrub through the timeline just like that, just to make sure your edits are okay. Now just to show you a little bit more about FILMR, you can add your transitions right here, so you can add fade, dissolves, all that sort of stuff. And if you want to add cool effects, then click on the 3 dots, then you got your effects, you got your filters, and a really cool feature they have is apply in all clips. So if you want to add a purple haze filter to this video, then we can do that. You can also change the intensity just like that. So if we put it to 40%, press OK, apply in all clips, and then that's going to apply the grade to the entire video. Once you're happy with your video, then you can then click on the export button right here, click on save, and then choose 1080p if you're posting on social media, select 24 FPS, and then press export. So as you saw, FILMR's editing interface is super easy to use, and we managed to edit that in just a few minutes. And FILMR has tons of other super cool features with over 1,000 music options you can use within the app. They've got augmented reality, voiceover, effects, slow motion, you name it, they've got it all. So if you do want to try out FILMR, then you can download that in the description down below, or you can just type FILMR in the App Store to download it. That's all I have for you in this video. If you did enjoy it, then smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.